So, hello students. Today I will discuss few numericals with you. The first numerical states, in the circuit shown in the figure, the 5 ohm resistance develops 20 calorie per second due to the current flowing through it. It is the 5 ohm resistor. It develops 20 calorie per second due to the current that is flowing through it. Now the question asks, what is the heat that is developed in the 2 ohm resistor? Okay, I think the question is clear, but once again I am reading it. In the circuit shown in the figure, the 5 ohm resistance develops 20 calorie per second due to the current that is flowing through it. Then what is the heat developed in the 2 ohm resistance? This is the question. This is the figure and these are the respective options. So let us solve the question. Look, our first job is to calculate what is the current that is flowing through this resistor. We know from Joule's law of heat dissipation, H is equals to I square into R. From Joule's law of heat dissipation, okay, so now look that I am denoting it by, I am using a suffix 5 over here because we want to calculate the current through this resistor. So I am writing a 5 in the suffix. So I5 square is equals to H5 by R. Now H5 it is given as 20 calorie per second. So 20 by, and the resistance is 5 ohm, that is 5. So it comes out to be around 4. So therefore I5 is equals to 2 ampere. So I5 is equals to 2 ampere. Now we will calculate this current, that is I. This is I5, which is 2 ampere. I'm rubbing it. So we have I5 to be around 2 ampere. Okay. Now our job is to calculate this main current. To calculate it, we will use current division rule. So by current division rule, I5 is equals to main current into next path resistance, that is this one. Next path resistance, that is 6 plus 5, 6 plus 9. Why 6 plus 9? Because both the resistors are connected in series. By total resistance, that is 6 plus 9 plus 5. So it is I into 15 upon 20. That is 3I by 4. So I is equals to 4 by 3 I5. That is 4 by 3. What is I5? I5 is 2. So it is around 8 by 3. So therefore I is equals to 8 by 3 ampere. We get our main current. Eight by 3 ampere, this is 2 ampere. So I is equals to 8 by 3 ampere. So I think this is clear. I have demonstrated the whole stuff. I have used the current division rule, and I5 is equals to this main current into the next path resistance by sum of total resistance, total all these three resistance, that is I into 15 by 20. So it is 3I by 4, and from here I is equals to 4 by 3 I5, 4 by 3, and this I5 is given is 2 ampere that we have evaluated already, that is around 8 by 3 ampere. So this I comes out to be around 8 by 3 ampere, and previously we have calculated that I5 is equals to 2 ampere. So up to this is the two currents that we have evaluated. Now I am rubbing it. Now the question asks, what is the heat that is being developed in the 2 ohm resistor? This one, this resistor. Again we will use Joule's law of heat dissipation, okay? That is H is equals to I square R. But here we will use the value of I, not I5. That is 8 by 3 whole square into the corresponding resistance, that is 2. So it comes out to be around 64 into 2 by 9, that is 128 by 9. So therefore H is equals to, if you simplify it, you will get H is equals to 14.2. So heat developed is 14.2 calorie per second. So B is the correct answer. B is our answer. Once again I am briefing all the steps. First of all, I have calculated the current that is flowing through this 5 ohm resistor, and we have evaluated it to be around 2 ampere. Then we have used the current division rule, and we have calculated the value of the current I that is flowing through this 2 ohm resistor, and eventually we have used the Joule's law of heat dissipation, which is H is equals to I square R, to calculate the heat that is being developed in this 2 ohm resistor, and it comes out to be around 14.2 calorie per second. So this completes our first numerical. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.